Proserpine by D.G. Rossetti. Proserpine is a sonnet written by D.G. Rossetti. He also painted a painting which has the name Proserpine. This sonnet is about the mythological character Proserpine. So before moving on to the sonnet, let's recollect the story of Proserpine. Proserpine was a Roman goddess. She was the daughter of Ceres. According to Roman mythology, Ceres is the goddess of fertility and agriculture. Proserpine was abducted to underworld or Hades by Pluto. Pluto is the god of underworld. Then Pluto married Proserpine even though she had a love affair with Adonis. Adonis is a youth of remarkable beauty. Ceres then asked Jupiter's help to return her daughter to earth. According to Roman mythology, Jupiter was the king of gods. Jupiter agreed to bring her back to earth if she had not eaten any fruits in Hades, that is the underworld. But Proserpine had eaten 6 pomegranates. As a result, Jupiter decreed that she should remain in Hades for 6 months of a year, and she will be allowed on earth for the other 6 months. So this is the story of Proserpine. This sonnet is based on the story of Proserpine. This sonnet also portrays Proserpine's days in Hades. Now let's discuss the sonnet. Afar away, the light that brings cold cheer. Here the word afar means at a distance. So the light comes from far away, and along with it, the light brings the cold cheer. Here the word cold cheer denotes the happiness that has lost its beauty. So here in this line, apart from the light, the poet mentions about the sight. So it is about the sight that she gets when light falls on earth. So here we should recollect the story of Proserpine. So Proserpine is spending her days in Hades. So from Hades, she saw the earth when light falls on it. In short, this line is about Proserpine's reaction when she saw the earth. Unto this wall, one instant and no more, admitted at my distant palace door. Here in this particular line, the word this wall denotes the space that separates the underworld from earth. So Hades is regarded as the underworld and earth is regarded as the upper world. So as I said earlier, from Hades, Proserpine saw the earth when light falls on it. And she even describes the sight of the distant palace door, which she saw on earth. This palace door is referred to Proserpine's home on earth. So from Hades, she saw her home on earth. And that sight, the sight of her home on earth, brings cold cheer to the space where she is, that is in underworld. It simply says that from underworld, when she saw her home on earth, she becomes very sad. So here in this particular point, Rossetti deviated from the original mythical story of Proserpine, because according to the mythical story of Proserpine, she is allowed to be on earth for a time period of 6 months. But in sonnet, Proserpine is someone who is in great depression. It is just like she has completely lost her connection with earth. Afar the flowers of Enna from this drear dire fruit, which tasted once, must thrall me here. So as we know, Pluto had abducted Proserpine to underworld, and Pluto had abducted her from a place called Enna while she was playing with some nymphs. Nymphs are a kind of goddess. So in a place called Enna, Proserpine was playing with the nymphs and she was collecting flowers. So at that time, from Enna, Pluto abducted her. Here the word drear means dull or depression, and the word dire means danger. So simply, the dire fruit denotes the pomegranate, which Proserpine has tasted in Hades. So, according to the story, Proserpine was punished as a result of tasting this dire fruit, that is a pomegranate. So, as she ate the fruit in Hades, she had to stay back in underworld. Afar those skies from the Tartarian grey that chills me, and afar how away the nights that shall become the days that were. Here the word those skies means the skies in earth. Tartarus is a place in underworld. So Tartarian grey mentions about the skies of underworld. The grey color of the sky denotes the depression that is experienced by Proserpine. Proserpine through the sonnet says that the grey skies of underworld makes her cold. As a result of that cold that comes from the grey skies of underworld, she got really frozen. So as she was frozen from the cold winds of the sky, she cannot sense any feelings. She cannot sense anything. She even wonders how far the time has passed. Here the word nights mentions about her time which she spends in underworld. And the word days mentions about her time which she had spent in earth. So she really wants to be on earth. She wants to return back to earth. Simply, she really wants to live the way which she used to be before. Afar from mine own self I seem, and wing strange ways in thought, and listen for a sign. So here, through the sonnet, both Rossetti and Proserpine are talking. They are talking about their own pathetic condition. Both Rossetti's painting and sonnet speaks about the predicament of Jane Morris. Jane Morris was the model for the painting Proserpine. Also, she was Rossetti's lover. So through this line, Proserpine says that she seems to be far away from her own self. That is, she has been changed to someone else. Or simply, she lost her old self. And still some heart unto some soul doth pine. O who sounds mine inner sense in vain to bring, continually together murmuring, woe me for thee, unhappy Proserpine. So Proserpine was looking for a sign. She was looking for the heart of the man whom she loved. It might be about Adonis, who was Proserpine's lover. This line also speaks about Rossetti's condition. So through these lines, Rossetti also conveys his heart to the one who he loved very much. Here, he mentions about his love for Jane Morris. O who sounds my inner sense in vain to bring. So Proserpine continues to say that her inner sense has prepared to bring the voice of the person whom she loved. Proserpine is in Hades, so her inner sense has prepared to bring her lover's voice from earth to the underworld, continually together murmuring. It simply says that when her inner sense brings the voice of her lover, they could sit and talk continuously forever. These lines are enclosed within brackets because it might be Jane Morris or Rossetti's thought which is portrayed through Proserpine. That might be the reason for enclosing those lines within the brackets. Woo me for thee, unhappy Proserpine. So the final line conveys that Rossetti is really sad about Proserpine. He addresses her as unhappy Proserpine. The word woo me denotes disappointment or deep sadness about something. So apart from Proserpine, the poet mentions about Jane Morris. He is really sad about the pathetic condition of Jane. So D.G. Rossetti concludes his sonnet by conveying his deep grief to Jane, who is actually represented through the painting as well as the sonnet. So That's all about the sonnet. So, as I said earlier, this sonnet is about the mythical story of Proserpine as well as Jane Morris. This sonnet is written along with Rossetti's painting The Proserpine. I hope this video would be helpful for you. Thank you.